Got one.
Was it a nice one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pretty good. Not too bad. I got him. I got it, Zach. It's okay.
Sure, I have the net right.
Alright. Come over. Oh.
That's a nice one, dude.
There it is. You got it.
Alright,
Nice, there we go. Check that out, guys. Just threw that jig out there.
Nice.
Look at this bass. That's good. Let's get a weight on him. You take a picture of me, Grant. Go to my backpack. 2 pounds. There we go. There he is. I got him. Ready, Zach? Go.
Lost my shoe.
Slam him out here.
Just got caught on the cattail there.
Of course it did. Nice fish. You want a picture? Oh yeah, that's one. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh. I got it. Good fish. Check this one out, guys. Oh, good fish. There we go, guys. Pretty big. Decent. You can lift them on, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's liftable. There he is. Good fish. There he is. You got some? Oh, you got him up. A small one?
I purposely placed it right on top of that thing over there.
Ooh. He's got it. It's a small one, huh? Yeah, that's cool. Two bass following it? Zach, get over there. Look at him right there. It's right there, Zach. The fish is right there. He just swam away. You got him right in the side. Oh my god. I bet I went at home. Got him.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice. That was awesome.
Oh yeah. Give me a net.
Right here.
He's big. He's a good fish. Get that net. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Get him. That was awesome. Woo! No.
Mine was longer, but yours had a bigger one. Nice.
Yeah, that's a good fish. That's a 2. That's 2. Grant, picture. Try this fish here. Good 2 fish. On this Missouri Craw jig, Havoc baits, Pit Boss trailer. There he is.
Did you put that beach
Is that a good one? Oh, he looks good.
on the crankbait?
On the crank?
You'll slow the boat down.
No, we're good. Keep going.
It's a small
It's a dink.
No.
It's a bluegill.
Oh my god.
Right here.
What is with them and the
Oh my god. Oh Jesus Christ, get it away, There he is, guys. Get this on camera. Woo! The fish jumped out of the water. Oh, I have a camera, yeah. The fish jumped out of the water.
Guess what? I don't think I'm
Like-
recording, are you?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
good is it?
It's okay, but it was so like, oh my god. The thing literally like, oh, holy shit. I thought it was so much bigger. It's not hooked with the thing in its mouth. Oh, you got one?
It's a
Zach
nice
got
one.
one.
It's a nice one.
Good one?
It's
Come
a
on.
nice one.
Go down. Go to the side. I'll get you a net. Go to the side. Move.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I'm coming to this side. Come on, work them. Keep it down.
Why you want it up?
Yeah, keep it down that way. He's coming closer. Come on. A good one.
Hold up.
Oh no, he's scared. There he is.
Oh, it's not
Good
that
fish.
big. It was felt so much bigger. How much do you think? 2 pounds? 2.5?
Yeah, it's a 2. That's a 2. Solid 2.
Wait, can you weigh it?
Yeah, we'll wait. 1 3/4. You do? God damn it. Here's a fish. Ooh. You think so? Well, yeah, yes.